So, day 6. Happy Friday, everybody. Let's see what we got today. So, yesterday, the bot found itself in a dead zone, and we upped the order count in order to have the continue trading, and it looks like it's worked since then. There's this dry spell right here, and then as soon as we turn the bot back on, it seems like it's started taking trades again properly. So what happened today? It looks like we had prices still hasn't moved. It looked like it tried to dump. There's a big wick right here. It's a fake out. Tried to go down, tried to push down. Price came back up, and we are pretty much where we started at the beginning of the trading week. So yeah, not much movements in the market this week after that initial pump before we started the bot. But overall, let's assess what happened. So we started with $500 account. Right now, still in the midst of a drawdown because price really hasn't broken out of here, but overall still made some money. So like I said, we started with $500. That $500 increased up to $1,388, almost $1,400. So that's almost a 3x of the balance within the week. The equity increased to 727. It was at 800 last night when I took a peek at this, but still increase from where it started from. So we did make money this week. Overall profit, $889 within the 7-day window. So not too shabby. We can hopefully do better as the weeks go on. But so overall, assessing what happened, obviously you can only take what the market gives you. And this bot did, other than that dry spell, like I said yesterday, or didn't have enough orders to fill in the gap. But ever since then, pretty much it looks like we have scalped pretty much the whole move since we started the bot on Sunday. Scalped all this. So even like I said, that's the great thing about these bots. Even in sideways markets, you can make money. And hopefully, as the weeks go on, I can demonstrate as this market transitions from a sideways to a trending market that it can make money in any market condition. So, but overall, what happened during the week? What could we improve? There is one thing I was thinking of. So, let's go here. There is one feature I have called the daily volatility feature that I want to show you guys. And the way it works is this. In order to prevent when price like this instant right here, when price tried to break out and didn't quite make it, I have what's called a daily volatility filter, which means that price has to move a certain amount in order to get hedged out of bad positions. It did misfire during the week 3 different times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to up this volatility filter from 0.3 to 0.4. So now every daily candle has to move 0.4% in order for a hedge attempt to be fired. That should help mitigate false hedge attempts, and we'll keep adjusting it as the weeks go on to find that sweet spot where it can filter out the noise and fire when a true breakout happens. So that's the one change we'll make to the bot going into next week. So last week I started this last Sunday, but what I'm going to do is we're going to start the bot up. I'm going to start a video on Monday around this time, Monday afternoon, and we're going to assess what happened Sunday, pretty much, and that's where we're going to go from there. So I'm going to leave the bot as is. We made that one change, and we're going to go into next week, and hopefully we'll get more dynamic market conditions. Like I said, this week the market was pretty flat, try to break out here, try to break down right here, didn't quite move, and it kind of just chilled in this area right here. So didn't get the dynamic market conditions we were hoping for to show off, but still made money overall. So all's well that ends well, right? So that's it for this week. Hopefully next week we'll, like I said, be able to show what this bot can do. So that's it for now. Have a good weekend, everybody. Take care. Peace.